definition of the something hotel is not sold in other terms is production hotel. Okay, this thing, I don't like to call it. I'm gonna go to e-permit. I like retail because it doesn't have it. I like retail only because they don't have a title. It's good. It's good. The same thing every single freaking time. Okay, well, I'm putting up this bad boy. Okay, yeah, this is good. I actually purple, but I believe it's not. So fuck it. I think it's just. No, I have to do that. Didn't mean that. I'm gonna read this one. I'm gonna read the whole thing like this and something else. You can wash your hands with it, and it restores the original taste and also stops the soul out of onions and garlic for you to the soda. Somebody said it works on garlic, onion, and the ultimate test is weird tea. What about your hands? I'm seeing people all over my free page where the actual facial hair was an ad for this product. With hair identifiers. I don't need a product. I want to make it visible. So this week, spray it all over your face. And this is dermaplaning. Dermaplaning isn't for everybody. Personally, it makes me break out. Like you have hair on your face for a reason. But some people like to shave their hair off. So they can make your makeup dark with it and help but she didn't give me what matter anymore. Also, when am I supposed to get a free watermelon shot for the winter? EMS microcurrent mini massager. There ain't nothing that looks relaxing about this. You know, I thought it was one of those things for people where you stick it on your skin and it like forces you to crack your muscles. So it's like you stick it on your hand and it's like you're doing crunches while you're eating hot Cheetos playing Fortnite. I don't know about this.
just already have a speaker, so they just talk with you back. What is this?
Voltaire and Rusty Scissors does the same thing. Oh, the pesky little list on your favorite sweater? No, these are so annoying to remove. I manually pick them up one by one. But there's a device that's
Oh, this one. This one is very good. No! I was actually last year, I didn't even pass it. And then you just lose it. You just lose it because you do everything that you just did. Because you lose everything that you just did. If you do it, it's that piece for your foot. That was a little too I can say watermelon. I don't really just do it. I can get this myself, but then I can't stop anybody if they're at solar. Yeah, I do this. Oh, because behind the background, I'm watching, I was talking to while playing this game. So this is just me looking at the TV while I'm playing the game. No, I'm watching a controller. Actually, I don't really watch a controller. I'm just gonna play. I can't hold anything yet.
And you can do a little pour. You know, so it's all hands-free.
What is it? Haha.
I would do my olive oil or something. I can't be bothered with putting olive oil and then pour it into a whole other boil. You know, even if it comes with a little spray much. Because I've got one of these before, and I transferred my oil once, and the spray ended up not working. I did all that for a whole spray bottle. Waste of time. And a lot of time.
Actually, I kind of like Troy after that.
Oh, what is her name? That's not a nice thing. How are you just putting hair in and it's just pulling out perfectly straight? You know, I have very frizzy curly hair. I need something like this. Oh, what? It's like a vacuum cleaner for your hair. But hold on, fancy strands. That's incredible. What is this device? I literally googled frizzy straight blonde eyes. That's all I did. It's called the Rev Air. Reverse air dryer. What do you mean reverse air
Oh, we actually did that. Okay, what makes it a Lambo yacht?
same time, or you can use a regular window cleaner as an adult. Much more cheaper and much less drama. This is really good for like hard to reach windows, but like everything else, you can run out of window cleaner. So much cheaper. There's a button on the car that tints your window. I've heard of this because they just got glass doors too. So a few years ago, I built a house. I was like, I want a glass door. So can you like make it blurry? They're like even cooler. For the low price of $20,000, you can get a glass door with a pressable button filled with gas and it makes it blurry. There's also a less expensive option. You get some of the tinted windows. You get a ticket for them being too dark or versus anyway. You give them your license registration, you go back to your car. You literally can feel the tint right off. And then you gas like the officer, like, what tinted windows do you speak of? I have never tinted a window in my life. I'm in the right, you're free to go. And pull up to the McDonald's parking lot and just go back to the double for your own. This is flexible LED transparent film screen. This is like a speaker right. Okay, cool, but like, what do you do with it? Oh, okay. You know, like, put it on the wall, put it on glass. Okay, that's actually sick. Because like it's raining. You know, the dots in it, they all are individual LEDs, light up plastic paper. You can do some pretty cool things with it. I feel like the Sphere in Vegas, like a huge, super advanced version of this. A fancy flat water bottle. Perfect if you have to put it in a backpack or your purse. Oh, this is fancy. It'd be better if it was made of glass, though. I think you can make a whole lot of fun with microplastics. Microplastics are actually cleaning you up a lot more than you realize. I'm not bleeding nanoplastic out. I'm POV begs your heavily bearded, long-haired husband to clean shave for the first time in years. And it was the first time in a nurse man. He's going to come out looking like a child. That cannot be the same person. I don't know that for. Fighting, maybe Maybelline. Are we sure this is the same person? Like, it always blows my mind the difference that a beard makes. You guys talk about, oh, show yourself without makeup. No, you show yourself without a beard. Nice and sweet. There you go. Oh, wait, actually, you know what? You know that. Trick or treat. You gave me the option to give you a trick or a treat. What do I want to give you a treat? Reach into your bag, do a little trick, and get out and have you Spider-Man. Just trading candy, like, oh, I don't like this. It's like a handful. Okay, yeah, you got one of those candy bags. What are you gonna do about it? Cry? That kid really thought, like, oh, mommy, me? No, I'm trying to be my dog. Violation. That child. He can do the other room. Yeah. He's so little for that. I mean, I do prefer barbecue to grass. Yeah, I guess. Oh, one hobby. Brain rot. When you scroll people for hours every day, that's what's happening to you and me. Who is brain rot for? Yeah, so that's what I want. What can you scroll through for crazy? Yeah, so that's what I want. So I got a lot. Velocity and everyone you knew there. Walking moment. You still walking for. We got walking for BTS. I know several Gen Zers who talk about this in real life. That's where I get it from. I can understand you. My friend has a child. He's talking about like CBC were getting raised up. And all these adults are like, what is she saying? I heard her loud and clear. And let's sing a CBD photo song. I haven't seen a few recently blow up on TikTok for eating an entire fish bowl worth of whatever. And this strawberry. 100 views of strawberry. Is he actually eating one with the green part? I don't think he's spitting anything out. He just keeps shoving them into his mouth. 2 hours. 4 hours. You know, it's like that's really done. How many strawberries can a person probably eat before they turn into a strawberry? I don't think he's actually eating them because he's not turning red. I feel like if you ate that many strawberries, you would turn red. 12 hours? Y'all believe this? It's like a light bear make it look like you're shoveling them in your mouth. But who's to say you're actually swallowing them? He ate his entire body's surface area in strawberries. I think he would feel worse than a little head shake. I don't know. I was expecting him to like get a little bigger by the end of the video, or maybe double his size for all the strawberries he ate. That's a big cake of strawberries. I don't know what you guys think. Feel the customized photos of your town. Don't understand what you're seeing, little Cheetos. I'm gonna be that you. Oh, there's more.
Oh, you are horrible. Go. That's what you felt.
Literally, love today. Girl, thanks. Very creative. I like it.
No, because all these stories be like that. No. No, not her. Freak.
Neighbor's dog rang doorbell at 4 a.m. That sounds like something a child would ask. No, I thought you had everybody chicken legs. The whole house down. We're not gonna risk that. Let's try to think of the deeper voice. Why do you not roasted chicken nuggets? Are they cooking frozen? Oh, she fell for it. You does this sound like an adult? Okay, I'm going to ask questions. How to air fry the chicken nuggets? I didn't know you could do that. Like, oh, you sound like a child. Okay, let's have a really nice intro voice.
That go back to those coming.
How long do I put the ends for in the oven? And then should we Google it? Hang on, here's your child yapping. Guys raised by their dad. Guys raised by their mom. Guys raised by their wives. even in the same room. It's the mouth breather final boss. But it's not new and it's not what for real life. I feel like if your story is that bad, you need to start sleeping your mouth to shut. Oh, wow.
No, I don't know.
Very satisfying. $1,000 for a bed. Every time you use your card, you use this little credit card to leave. More than you can pay. The product supplies were like, what? Who said this? There is no way. My brain hurts. I'm just gonna buy it so I can figure out if it actually works or if it'll tip over and just so my brain will stop hurting. It doesn't make sense to me. But the bottle of wine is pretty heavy. Like, how much you go for one more? The physics thing. Like, how? Being the wine comes to what I am. My God. I don't do that's it. This is literally changed. I don't know. I thought it was gonna be like a super heavy thing. So it could like support the weight of the bottle. But no, it's literally just changed. You know, change but they're like stuck together. So they're hard. This is an interesting piece of decor. And also could be a necklace. Other people put it with real dangerous. Anyway, we got sunlight being even after tea. Made with organic bread. This thing I feel like you can I'll let you know the bottle's background. I'm racing and service into the there's no right to it. This is moving collapse into the break. Literally like a physics lesson. If you could do this, this is a full wine bottle. It's not empty, it's full. I don't know how it comes down. It's heavy. It's got some growth to it. How is it doing this? Look at another bottle. It's always on. It's my house, so if I want to keep these clothes on bottles, I will. I'm gonna need to the bottle. Oh, wait, hold on. It's working. Hold on. It's quite the contraction. So if you don't drink wine, olive oil bottle. How is it doing that? This is my olive oil bottle. What a glorious invention. It was like $40 too. I think this is like a really good gift. Got the navy blue one. This is just I didn't really purchase one. That's like navy. Okay, this is really what? And it's like this is an extra small. This is tiny. And like this is not. I'm like picking up too. So okay, built-in glass too. I already thought it was gonna be a banger. Okay, I think the extra small is a little small. I should have probably got the small. I didn't know it was gonna run the small.
So Brittany is doing really good. Can you go back?
No good, but this is like it's not like the line. It's kind of like the other one. One more mix with material that's specifically for weightlifting. Allegedly, no, I look at every single day now. Years ago, I was really working out.
Almost up.
They have to put those that were short, and then she was like, "Yeah, you don't want those. Those are people who wear." I know, like, me. I mean, imagine my brothers and those are like this much, don't you think? Are you going to get to work out or are you going to get pregnant? Like, is the best crunch necessary for your game? I don't think so. Hear me out. You might look at this and be like, this is the most unnecessary thing you've ever seen. But once you wrap up your little ginger drink, I promise you, it'll all be worth it. Sometimes your drink is just a little too cold. And then we put a little drink sleeve on it. That's fine. But like, why not make the sleeve into a little puffer coat? This is a need I have acquired for puppy. It's like literally a jacket. I'm going to unzip him for her. This is literally so cute. Wait a second. Why? Actually, when we enough for one, because the closest thing I have to a white puffer. I literally do not own a white puffer. Open it. I get a little drinky drink pour it in my ice cold cup of water. This is like spicy strawberry water. This is a little cup of comedy and venti. Oh, wait. I might not work on the venti. For a bigger cup like this, you can't just like whip it up all the way. Just do a little drinky drink. And you just like hold it like this. So actually like so necessary. Especially if you're like me and you love to drink cold drinks even in the cold. It would be negative degrees off to the this is the center. Why? I don't know what's the push pop. Where are the bubbles that you pop? Unless this thing pops out and then you push. Okay, let's see. Before I completely tear this thing apart, it's one of the biggest parts of the house. And the bottom is cool one. Oh, never just right now. The batteries again. Turn this thing on. Hello. Can I just? Is it gonna like come out so I can push it? This was a mini tumbler together. It's like a little thin cup with just one I have. And then you keep it fully functional, stainless steel, aluminum. You're scared. You have a biologic not plastic. It's actually made of metal. Like, I'm gonna do my drink cold for hours. I already know it. Hold on. Somehow I just taste it better than you have something tiny. I love it. But like for what? For a shot of espresso or a shot of some hard liquor? I never really liked milk though.
1738 at Michaela's Apollo.
Amazing. There's another one that went viral. Don't want it.
Yeah.
Pistachio delivered. It's pistachio marshmallow. Both of those sound amazing, but like together, and like a freedom, I don't know. This is the same pistachio vibe that you get with the Kayali one. Okay, Kayali for dessert. Every time I'm going to Florida, it's such a cool, delicious. Also has a little bit of freshness from white milk. I want to smell like how you describe good food. Creamy and delicious. Five six ingredients in. Okay, you can turn by one. Five ingredients in. around for like 30 minutes, an hour, and they keep showing it. And if you like it after 30 minutes to an hour, then buy the perfume. But sometimes it's free perfume, I let it sit for hours, and they'll smell it again.
Kupiła.
Already smells so different on me than it is straight out of the bottle. Because now, wonderful.
Just like you can't catch me. No.
Jasmine flower and took a whiff without the allergy.
Just like you can't catch me. No, 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 no.
My brother. So far, TikTok perfume recommendations have been so good. There's a bracelet on TikTok shop. It is a bracelet, but also a glass that you can drink from and take in your favorite juice, festival, concert, show, and then open it up and pour it right in the I actually saw people at Coachella wearing this. So it was like if security tells you anything like, that was a little bit, but what are you talking about? It's a bracelet. Now it's your jewelry. Nice circle.
Now I'm more choice. Okay. Huh. How do you like that? Da-na-da-da-na-na-da.
You can fit a lot of liquid in this bottle. You fit a little less than half of it. And then if you try to sneak protein milk, it's your Coachella. It honestly does look like a very bulky piece of jewelry. It totally could be jewelry. And then there's like, when the time comes, I'm screaming, chug, not that. This is how much liquid it can fit. I should probably pour in a measuring cup so you guys can see, but probably like 2 shots of chocolate milk. I think it's pretty good. Target candy vending machine. How much candy vending machine? $5. People say this thing is fully functional, but I just press a button and just expect M&M's at my wing. Okay, I need it immediately. Right now. I don't get a little sweet treat on the daily. Sometimes several times a day, I will simply waste away. I got to find it at Target, and when you advertise $5 candy dispenser on TikTok, sell out. So I had to buy one for like $8 on Amazon, which is not always fine. This is kind of cute. Like pink and purple. I don't know if this is batteries. Oh, I think we just fill this up with candy. First, you have to remove this stick, or you can keep them in. I may not have any jelly beans, but I do have some Farfall pasta. How do you pronounce this? How do you pronounce Farfall pasta? Farfalle pasta. Why is it talking to butterfly? I learn from the Italian every day. Oh wait, I do have jelly beans. I'm like 2 years old, but I think jelly beans is fire and it's kind of like warming. Come on. Okay, there's a thing. Oh. Wow! A serving size of jelly beans. Most of these are very deliciously flavored. Oh, the banana one is so good. Wait a second. Instagram versus reality. Bobby said unrealistic jelly bean standards. You just said sweet treat. I just don't like how you pull instead of push. I feel like pushing for candy would be more satisfying, you know? When you put out the one thing you just give everyone for Christmas and start something simple and silently. And he's just like, what is it? Unicorns is red and I use them. So I spend a lot of time on the computer looking at my screen. This would be so nice. You just lay down and relax. Now, it might be a little dangerous to lay down and you wake up 2 hours later and you don't know what to do. This is called the Iris One Eye Massage. Okay, holding, okay? It's made of like a nice leathery material, but really easy to like it. I've never had an eyeball massage before. It's nice. You feel like meeting your eyelid. ASMR.
And why don't you fall?
Please relax and you don't have to go through all the trouble of hooking it up anymore. Okay. I feel like I should be in a relaxing place, but I don't have a tripod for my camera. So I'm going to stand on my vibrating from it. It's not not. I'm enjoying it. Yeah, I didn't get my eyeball too. I don't want it to go in more.
Yeah, they got told.
Hello? Start it again. Ma'am, where'd you go? Get close. No, I kind of want her to go further. I wonder if there's things on it. I'm sure there is. So, like, it just feels like somebody's, like, gently moving your eyes. But it's a little too gentle. You know, when I rub my eyes, I don't feel like, well, I mean, this is nice because they do your temples, too. So it goes, like, temple and then eye massage. How does this vibration feel? I can't press a button. I don't know where the buttons are. How am I supposed to keep my eyes closed? Okay, this is very nice. But I'm going to take it off and enjoy it in the comfort of my own bed. I'm really wishing my mom was speaking. That's not what too hard. Music and vibration. You can like fold it in half so you can press it out and put it in your bag. This on a plane with some AirPods would be crazy. Like I'm always think on the plane with it. I think it's the first because I love everything I try out to do. I'm actually keeping all of these things. I am very pleasantly surprised. This was a great call. Hello guys, it's me. Today we are going to be mixing every sauce of every Chick-fil-A sauce, every Chick-fil-A salad dressing, every Taco Bell seasoning, all of the McDonald's sauce, barbecue sauce. I'm breaking and asking some fries and every sauce they got. Oh yeah, last time we not meat offering. I don't walk in like, here's every sauce you got. There's a whole bunch of good love. Can't forget me secret sauce. Okay, and whatever that is, look inside these bags. The sauce kind of loaded. Are these all the same? This looks like ranch, blue cheese, or whatever the yellow sauce is. Maybe honey mustard. Why do they give me so much sauce? The box is even covered in sauce. That's it. Before we make is the end of the school year and prospects that on a serious project of the mother's home, including this project. She knows that.
They got told.
That's it. The rest enterprise music will come to content. That's the front.
Maybe them that people troubles.
I'm not definitely. It's also not for like and she also intended it out the place. So it's unusable. Very confident. She worked really hard.
Yeah, so I can leave that. Uh-oh, that was taking control.
I for the next 45 years. So she can grow it out when I'm dead. Present fun. It is the end of the school year and that's like
Okay, let me turn the controller. okay, come to the window. I don't know why. Sometimes funny. In my mom's room, she's in a bath or something. I don't know. But anyway, she's not in the room right now. So we called my father. Come help us. This way. What? Because what? 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 Oh, you look like it is? Okay. You close the door. You close it. You can't have the devil out. You must hang up people. I don't know why. Guys, how much 5 minutes ago? Okay. All right. All right. Got it. Oh, yeah. It's got around. Bring rock. What's going on? You want? What? Like this? Huh? We want to take the door. Yeah, is that feasible? Why do you want to do that? How hard is it to do that? Is it like on what's not? I want to work on the doors don't have to. Okay, so what do we do? How do you do that? I would call. Okay, how we do it, bro? How we do it? Here's the deal. That's not cleaned up. No. We can I order, not allowed to organize food. So anyone's going to tell me that it's bad. Shit. Let's do that one. Then we put it on the blue. That's on you. It's a brand one. No, we're putting the bed. We talked before. You'll think, I'm like, you're going to keep up. I'm sorry. I'll go with that. I'll go with that. I know this game. Oh, killing her. Killing us all. Hey, Cruz, don't get that close. Cruz, you do not need to be that close to my face, bro. What? Uh-oh. That's the one.
Put your finger down if you don't like it. I'll stop the first one. Put your finger down.
What?
Why is this thing? You're like making sound.
I'm installing the game. Sorry. I got you in the wrong song, bro. That's not nobody. You had that. Yeah, when you kind of just don't let this just slide it up over. Don't stop. Don't stop. It's too greasy. Now we're moving. Don't use table picnic. We're moving out. We're moving out. We're moving out. Oh my God. That is still 50 seconds. How are you doing that? Okay? Stop. Table, come to table. Yeah, careful. Careful. Don't ruin it. Oh my God. She's fucking sick.
I think I'm still cutting. All y'all doing a bunch of chores, you know what I'm saying? I can't even jump. Like, everyone keeps calling at me. It's so annoying, right? And I was just trolling, but not even like, it was fun, but now I don't want to do it. Because what's the point of even trying it anyway? Because it's so mean. So I just did that. And yeah. Let's see if I troll even more. Yeah, you're not gonna troll. There's no trouble. I'm not trolling. I'm not trolling. You can mind your goddamn business.
You are not gonna. Expecto Force.
Uh-oh, trollers.
Whoa.
Troller coming. Bro, I hate trollers. They're so annoying. You just slap me to death.
Yeah, man, don't touch that.
You know what? I'm just gonna go with this car. No. Troller. Just jump all the way up this tower. That's all you can do. Just go up this tower. Don't mind any trollers coming your way. Just go. Dude, you can know where I'm at. Just go up there. I'm just gonna go up. This whole tower can see me. I forgot. Like that a lot of that silence. I forgot that I was being